happy new year 2021. I hope this year brings us a lot of luck, love and happiness and all that we want. This video is gonna be about some earrings that I've bought online, which is from the Instagram stores. I've seen a lot of people buying there, like buying the products from there, buying some earrings, buying some jewelry. Basically jewelry is like all over in Instagram. There are a lot of people selling. I just thought like, okay, I'm just gonna see how the quality is, whether the picture will be like, whether the earrings in the picture will be there like exactly in the real life as well. I'm like really excited to show you. So I bought earrings from two different pages. So the first one being, oh, let me just check their name properly so that I don't pronounce it wrong. Okay, so the very first page that I've bought these jewelry is from Anoki Accessories, and from them I've bought quite a few bits, not few, I think so I've bought lots and lots that I'm going to use like lifelong because I've bought so much, guys. So these are all the earrings. I've got only earrings, so this haul is only going to be about earrings. So I've got quite a few and I'm gonna show you. It's not few actually, and the packaging was good. It's not like this, like they have given us in the bubble paper and all of that, but I just like smashed it again into the box. I don't want all that bubble paper to be here. So yeah, okay, so going on to the first piece. So these are my favorite pair throughout this page. These, I mean, like they look super gorgeous, super cute, super amazing. They're like really big, I know that, but I love this. Like these go with like everything. You can like pair these with just white kurta and you're good to go. So these are like super cute, super amazing, excellent. I just can't say anything else about it. So next we have these, which are the Meenakari ones. I've been wanting these from so long, and the size even looks really good. I mean, like they will go quite a bit with my face size, and pink really goes with everything. So I just thought like pink, okay, I'm gonna take pink. And after seeing these, I was like thinking I need to get this in a lighter shade as well. So I just got that, and I'm just gonna show you in a bit. Next we have these, which are the, you know, the pearl earrings, you can call them, because they look super elegant. Look at these guys, they give such a rich look. When you just pair this with some good contrasting, you know, dress, these will like be highlighted like anything, and super pretty, super beautiful. Next we have these red gorgeous Meenakari ones. Again, Meenakari is like all over the internet right now. I just thought like I have to get more of these. And these red, I mean, like look at the top detailing. I love them, and I just can't say anything about it. I just love these. Yeah. Next we have these huge pair of jhumkas. People are rocking these, guys. I was like, okay, I'm gonna rock them, even though they look a little bit big for my face. I just thought like maybe in the future, or maybe now I'm gonna rock them. So yeah, these are the last pair from the Anoki Accessories page. So these were the 5 pairs that I've got. So now let's go on to the next online store. Okay, so going on to the next Instagram page, which is the Kuva Jewels. I'm just gonna link their pages down below for you guys, just if you want to go and check them. So the first pair are these beautiful pair. Like I don't own these kind of like I don't know what you call, I don't know if they're like chandbalis or I don't know the name, like specific name for it, but look how gorgeous they look. These, just wear these and you're just like good to go with any other any outfit, because these are like the light color pearls that I got. There are like a lot of different colors in it, but I just wanted to go for this particular shade because I just thought they're gonna go with like many outfits. So yeah. Next we have these Meenakari ones. As I've told you, after like shopping from that page, I was like thinking I want a lighter shade, so I bought these yellow ones. I think so, like this, like a yellow and a pink is like must in the wardrobes, like in the earrings collection. So yeah, I'm so sorry about the construction sounds. Like there's a building being like constructed just beside our building, so that's why you can hear all of that. And next we have these, which are super cute and gorgeous. I mean, like these are a different kind of Meenakaris, but the lotus and the color really like brought me, you know, take them. So yeah, these are the next pair. Next, going on to the other beautiful pair, which are these earrings. I mean, like this green is like a must. I have a lot of lehengas, lot of thick dresses which have this color, so I was like thinking this is like the must. And this detailing, the detailing over here looks super gorgeous. So yeah, I just took this. Going on to the last pair, which is like such an elegant statement piece. I've seen a lot of people like rocking those, and I've seen on Instagram Shreema already wearing these, and I just thought like, okay, I was not planning to take this, but after she wore it, I was like, okay, I need to get it. So yeah. So these are the 5 pairs that I've got from this Instagram page, and so that's it. I'm just gonna conclude this video. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. And wishing you all the luck and happiness throughout the year. I love you all. Bye.